Okay, so swap fee, ano nga ba yan? So marami nagtatanong yan, and ito nga, no. So swap, may nakalagay dyan, swap long, 93.44 in points. So in dollar, it's going to be 93 cents at 0.01 lot size. Okay? So per night, ibig sabihin niyan kapag naiwan mo yung position mo ng umabot ng 5 a.m. na nabutan ka ng closing, no? So that's going to be charge, no, sa capital mo. So even if you are losing your position or the trend is against you, against the buy position that you have, this is an additional swap fee. Okay, so swap short, ibig sabihin yan, that's going to be 20 cents pag inabutan ka naman ng 5 a.m. or closing. So same thing with uh, with with the swap long. So dito naman magpa-positive ka naman. So pag ginawakan mo lang yung sell position mo, you will gain naman with the swap short. So times 3 lang yan kapag Wednesday. Okay, so 93 cents times 3 at 0.01 lot size. So if you're using different lot size, 0.02, 0.03, we just multiply it. Okay, so this is how we compute it. So let's say Monday. Okay, so just as an example ng computation, no? Monday naka 0.1, okay, no? 0.1 hindi 0.01 lot size. So that's going to be $9. $9 every day. Okay? So every day $9 pag inabutan yung long position mo. All right? So kung Wednesday yan, so $9 times 3, that's 27 or $28 per Wednesday, no? If kung inabutan ka ng Wednesday morning na close. So that's how we compute it. So swap short naman, let's say inabutan ka ng 5 a.m., no? Monday, 0.1 ulit. So that's going to be $2 naman kapag nabutan ka at 0.1 lot size, no? Not 0.01, that's different. Okay, so times 3 lang kapag Wednesday. So that's $6. So that's how we compute with the swap long or swap short. So what we can do, okay, so ito yung maganda sa Vantage Market. So they can make your account swap free. Alright, so swap free yan kapag under ka ng community namin. So I can just check yung link natin. So you can just give me a message and then we can work on your account and make it swap free. So yun lang, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to about swap charges. So marami kasi nagtatanong and also nagtataka sila, bakit ganoon, bakit ako na-charge? Wala naman akong ginawa sa account ko, bakit overnight nagkaroon ako ng charges like that? So this explains it. So yun lang, thanks so much for watching, have a great day.